Are you struggling with knee pain that just doesn't go away even after medications, physiotherapy, or joint injections? And have you been advised knee replacement surgery but you're not quite ready for it yet, or looking for non-surgical options? Then this is the right video for you. There is a minimally invasive treatment called as genicular artery embolization or GAE, which in selected patients can reduce pain and improve function and potentially delay the need for surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikash Chennur, Senior Interventional Radiologist, trained from AIIMS with international experience. Many patients suffering from knee arthritis are told that their only options are pain medications or physiotherapy or knee replacement surgery. But today, GAE can reduce knee pain and may delay the need of knee replacement surgery in selected patients. In this video, I will explain what actually causes the knee pain in osteoarthritis and how does GAE work as a safe and effective option to manage the symptoms and potentially postpone surgery. Let us first understand the problem. Knee osteoarthritis is one of the most common causes of chronic knee pain. It usually affects elderly people above 50 years and sometimes even people who are more than 40. Patients often experience persistent knee pain, swelling around the joint, difficulty in walking, difficulty in climbing stairs, and stiffness in the knee. Many patients initially manage symptoms with medications or steroid injections, but over time, the pain may continue to increase and might become unbearable. One of the important causes of pain in knee osteoarthritis is the inflammation around the joint and inside the joint. As a part of this inflammation, the body develops abnormal small blood vessels around the knee joint lining. These abnormal blood vessels bring inflammatory substances that cause or worsen the pain and swelling. This is exactly where genicular artery embolization helps. We target the small arteries that are responsible for inflammation around the knee in this procedure. By blocking these abnormal vessels, we can significantly reduce the inflammation. Let me explain how this procedure is done. GAE is a minimally invasive procedure performed by an interventional radiologist in an angiography suite. Under image guidance, a very small catheter, which is a flexible plastic tube, is inserted through a tiny puncture either in the groin or in the foot artery. The catheter is then carefully navigated to the arteries supplying the knee joint. Once the abnormal vessels responsible for pain are accessed, we inject tiny embolic particles into these vessels selectively while making sure that we preserve the normal blood supply to the joint. The procedure usually takes about 45 minutes to about an hour. Most patients go back home on the same day. The procedure is not very painful and can be easily performed under local anesthesia. Let me share you an example. A 66-year-old patient came to our clinic with severe knee pain for more than 3 years. He had already tried medications, physiotherapy, and even steroid injections, but the pain kept returning. He was advised knee replacement surgery, but unfortunately, he was not fit due to comorbidities, and even the patient was not very keen and wanted to explore non-surgical options. After proper evaluation, we performed genicular artery embolization, and within a few weeks, his pain significantly reduced. He was able to walk longer distances without any discomfort. This kind of improvement is seen in many suitable patients. Genicular artery embolization can be helpful for selected patients who have moderate knee osteoarthritis, have persistent pain despite treatment, and are either not ready for knee replacement surgery or they're not suitable candidates for knee replacement surgery. The advantages of GAE include that it is not a major surgery. It is just an angiographic procedure. There is no large incision involved. The hospital stay is very minimal and the recovery is fast. Most patients return to their normal daily activities within a short period of time. However, proper evaluation is very important to determine whether a patient is a suitable candidate for a treatment or not. It is also important to remember that the symptoms can recur in some patients when we may have to do repeat sessions to give them relief. To summarize, knee osteoarthritis can significantly affect the mobility and quality of life. For selected patients, genicular artery embolization or GAE offers a promising, minimally invasive solution to reduce the pain, improve function, and potentially delay the need for knee replacement surgery. If you or someone whom you know are suffering from chronic knee pain due to osteoarthritis, consult a specialist to explore all the options, including the modern interventional treatment options. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Vikash Chennur, Interventional Radiologist. Stay healthy and take care of your joints.